You don't need 1 million followers to start making money on Facebook. It's the biggest social media platform, and anyone, including you, can start an online business today. This video is all about the different ways you can start a successful business on Facebook. We are covering everything from in-app monetization like Facebook stars, in-stream ads, and performance bonus. I'll tell you how to qualify for these monetization programs and how they work. Plus, one secret money-making hack that top creators don't want you to know. You need to try this now before everyone else catches on. First, let's talk about the in-app monetization options. Facebook stars. Followers can send you stars you can convert into cash. Facebook followers can buy these stars and virtually gift them to you on your eligible content. 1,000 stars is worth about $10. It's not much, but great for gifting. In-stream ads. You can play ads, whether on live streams or videos on demand, then earn money from it. For videos on demand, you can pull some parts of your uploaded content and insert the ads so you can monetize them. Your income from in-stream ads depends on the number of views and engagements your content has. Facebook Performance Bonus Program. It's an invite-only program for creators with great content engagement. Facebook will directly pay you based on the amount of reach, comments, and reactions to your eligible Facebook post. You can also earn through affiliate marketing and brand partnerships, but it might take time for new creators to find a business that will work with them. Now, here's the newest and fastest way to make money on Facebook: paid online challenges. They're easy to create, bring people together, and boost your creator engagement by 10x. With paid online challenges, you don't depend on eligibility or the number of streams, and you definitely don't need to wait for monetization program invites to start earning. This secret hack is used by top creators, and check out how much these creators are earning by just posting one video to invite their followers to a challenge. Here's how you can do it. Create a challenge. Think of a fun and engaging challenge that aligns with your niche. Use Facebook polls to see what interests your audience. Struggling to find ideas? You can use this free AI tool to come up with a challenge idea in just one click. Next, you need tools to track the progress of your participants. Free community platforms like Nasio are great for this. Go to Nasio/Facebook Business and sign up for a community. Go to the Challenges tab and create your challenge. Name it, upload a cover photo, and set it as a paid challenge. Here's how it looks. Challenges can be broken down one step at a time using checkpoints. These are tasks that participants must accomplish to make progress. Customize the frequency and deadlines to keep everyone engaged. Your participants can download the app to join the challenge and track their progress when it starts. You can also add your challenge group chat so you can easily communicate with your participants. Participants can automatically join the chat once they complete the payment. Preview your challenge landing page and hit publish once it's ready to go. If you have an existing course, you can easily turn it into a challenge. Use your learning modules as checkpoints to make them actionable and results-driven. And here's how you can use Facebook to promote your challenge and get participants. Use your Facebook account to generate buzz by creating a series of teaser stories that build anticipation. Create a reel to announce your online challenge and put the link in your bio as your call to action. Go live to directly interact with your followers, answer their questions, and highlight the benefits of joining your challenge. For participants, here's an exciting part: rewards. People love rewards. It makes the challenge even more worth it. Knowing there's a prize along with personal transformation encourages more people to join and pay. For some creators, rewards can be free consultations, meetups, or digital products. So how can you start making money on Facebook today? It's not about gaining millions of followers, but focusing on growing a genuine, engaged follower base. Post consistently, engage with your audience, and stay true to your brand. Don't be afraid to explore different monetization options outside Facebook. You can start a paid membership, sell your digital products, sell event tickets, or offer one-on-one coaching sessions. Just try and see which monetization method works best for you to maximize your earnings and grow online. The secret is staying creative, authentic, and most importantly, engaged with your audience to transform your Facebook into a thriving source of income. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to earn money using paid challenges. Start a paid challenge on Facebook today.